Hey everyone, welcome back to WA Reviews, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we've got something really exciting for all you music lovers out there. The Tronsmart Mirtune S100 portable outdoor speaker. Packed with features like a powerful 50-watt sound, a built-in power bank, and IPX7 waterproofing, this promises to be your ultimate outdoor companion. So, let's dive in. All right, let's unbox this beauty. The packaging is sleek and compact, just what we'd expect from Tronsmart. Inside, we've got the Mirtune S100 speaker itself, neatly packed, a Type-C charging cable for fast and efficient charging, the user manual and warranty card, and a little sound pulse card, which highlights their unique sound enhancement technology. That's everything in the box. Simple, yet functional. Wow, this feels premium. It's got a sturdy build, and at 1.36 kilograms, it's solid without being too heavy. The design is modern, and I love the matte finish. Plus, the retractable handle is such a cool touch. Perfect for carrying it around or laying it flat. Let's talk features. The Tronsmart Mirtune S100 boasts some impressive specs. Powerful 50-watt sound with a 30-watt racetrack subwoofer and dual 10-watt tweeters for rich, detailed audio. It's got Tronsmart Sound Pulse technology. Just press this button here for deeper bass. It's IPX7 waterproof, so no worries about spills, splashes, or even rain. And check this out. It doubles as a 20-hour power bank. Just plug your devices into the USB port and you're good to go. Lastly, you can customize your sound via the Tronsmart app and even pair two speakers for true stereo sound. Now, let's connect the Tronsmart Mirtune S100 to my smartphone via Bluetooth. With Bluetooth 5.3, this speaker offers a faster, more stable connection and an impressive range of up to 18 meters. Let me show you how easy it is. First, turn on the speaker by pressing the power button here. You'll hear a chime, and the Bluetooth indicator will start blinking, meaning it's ready to pair. Next, go to your smartphone's Bluetooth settings and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Under the available devices list, you'll see Mirtune S100. Tap on it to pair, the speaker will play a confirmation sound, and the Bluetooth indicator will turn solid. And just like that, we're connected. Let's play some music to test it out. You can also control playback directly from the speaker. Use the buttons here to adjust the volume, skip tracks, or pause the music. And if you want to disconnect or pair with another device, just press and hold the Bluetooth button for a few seconds to reset. That's how quick and simple it is to connect the Tronsmart Mirtune S100 to your smartphone. With Bluetooth 5.3, you get a stable connection and seamless audio experience, whether you're indoors or outdoors. All right, let's test the sound. I've got the volume at 50%, which is where you'll get the promised 20-hour playtime. Let's see how it sounds. The clarity is amazing. You can really feel the bass kick in when you activate Sound Pulse. Perfect for parties, hikes, or just chilling by the pool. Let's go through all the features of the Tronsmart Mirtune S100 app one by one. In the top right menu, you'll find the auto power off function. By tapping on it, you can set the speaker to turn off automatically after 15 to 60 minutes. This menu also includes options for firmware update, Bluetooth disconnect, and user manual. If you need guidance, simply tap on the user manual option to read it. On the main page, you can control play, pause, next, and previous tracks directly from the app. This page also displays the battery percentage of your Bluetooth speaker. The Equalizer tab in the center offers various music presets, including default, Sound Pulse, deep bass, classical, and rock. You also have the option to customize the equalizer to your preference. On the right side controller tab, you can select different playback modes, such as Bluetooth, AUX, SD card, or USB disc. This tab also includes the stereo pairing mode, allowing you to connect two speakers for a synchronized audio experience. Next, there's the RGB LED mode, where you can customize the LED light effects. There are 3 preset modes: Fashion Party, Deep Breath, and Carousel. If you prefer, you can turn off the LEDs completely. Additionally, the controller tab includes a voice prompt on/off function. Lastly, you can power off the Bluetooth speaker directly from the app by tapping the power off option and confirming with OK. So, is the Tronsmart Mirtune S100 worth it? Absolutely. With its 50-watt sound, 20-hour battery life, IPX7 waterproofing, and even a built-in power bank, it's a fantastic choice for outdoor adventures. And at under $100, it offers serious value for money. If you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description below to grab yours. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Until next time, keep rocking. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.